Reference influencers' names in your hashtag to increase organic reach on social media for your business. A very effective way to increase your organic reach on your social media profiles is by referencing influencers' names in your post hashtags. These techniques work very well specifically with Instagram and Twitter, but you can also apply it on Facebook. As you should know, hashtags are used by social media users to find specific information. Many of them use the name of influencers in their search hashtags. That's why you can make use of this technique to increase your number of followers. Use only influencers' names that relate to the topic or niche of your social media account to obtain greater effectiveness. In the same way, this could make one of those influencers that you refer to the hashtag repost your post on their account, which will make many more people see and be interested in your content. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.